So listen up, guys. Today is the last day that you can take advantage of this deal for Moomoo. So open up your account using that link down below and deposit at least $100. Once you do that, you get 5 free stocks and a $30 cash bonus, and deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, and overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, what are you waiting for? The clock's ticking. You have a couple more hours to get on this deal. So use that link down below or go to starsurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's break down 3 stocks that are about to explode. The charts look really freaking good, guys, and we have to break them down. So let's get into it. Stock number 1 is ticker symbol AAPL, also known as Apple. And you guys probably know Apple, duh, obviously, right? And you may or may not have looked at their chart recently. If you haven't, let's break it down right now, and let me show you guys why I think we're about to break out. Look at this. We have an overarching ascending triangle on Apple heading into this week on this 4-hour time frame, and guys, we're starting to peak above it, right? So Apple, I'm not sure if you guys have noticed, but it hasn't done much of anything. The stock's been flat for a good 4 months now, ever since the middle of July. So we've been peaking out at about 235, 237 since the middle of July. You know, we hit it in July. We hit that point end of August, early October, end of September. We struggled there all of October, man, at 235. So now we're getting out of there. We're peaking out of that point. We hit almost 238 on Friday. And guys, this looks like it's about to break out, does it not? I mean, we have higher lows being made for months into this resistance at 235. So yeah, I mean, this thing looks like it's about to break out. We just hit an all-time high on Friday at 237.90, and it's Apple, for Pete's sake, guys. You can't underestimate it. Just when you think the stock needs to cool off, it's got to come down, it's too overvalued, right? It has to come down, right? Just when you think that, that's when it goes higher, right? So now we've seen a couple months of sideways trading. We're bound for a pop, in my opinion. And we just hit an all-time high, like I said, on Friday. But a breakout, a full breakout, could get us to another all-time high, And who knows, maybe 250 could be right around the corner for Apple. So I really like it. The chart looks good here, very bullish heading into this week. So guys, make sure to add AAPL onto your watch list for this week. It's definitely up there as a top stock for me to look at as a trade, no doubt. The next one here is Defi Technologies. We've covered this company before, ticker symbol DEFTF, and this one also looks really good. And of course, with crypto doing what crypto's been doing, and by the way, guys, DEFTF is in the crypto space. It's a crypto stock, if you will. They're dealing with exchange-traded products. They're in asset management. Well, they do a bunch of things, but a bulk of their business is asset management. They have a lot of money in assets under management. Again, it's kind of like ETFs for different cryptos. That's essentially what this business is doing. They're called ETPs, exchange traded products. We've covered this company before in the past, so we're not going to get too deep into the fundamentals here, what the company does. But like I said, crypto obviously has been booming. Bitcoin, Ethereum, well, maybe not so much Ethereum, but other ones like XRP, which, by the way, side tangent, guys, holy freaking crap. XRP is almost at $2 right now. And, I'm not the biggest crypto guy. I've said that before on the channel. You guys know that. But I did buy a little bit of XRP at 69 cents recently. And I was going to buy a bunch more. I wish I did. I didn't do it, guys. But I bought, a little bit And again, now we're up to almost $2. So if I bought what I was going to buy, a couple hundred, or actually I was going to put in like $2,000. I was like, screw it. Let me throw some money at XRP. It would have been looking nice right now, guys. That would have blew up. But either way, it's whatever. The point is, crypto has been crushing it. DEFTF is in the space, and it's on the verge of fully breaking out. We're already above the moving averages. We already have we had a push this past week to a fresh high on the 4-hour chart. We broke out of the highs from back in September, back in June. So if DEFTF can start breaking out of the mid $2 range, that general area, let's put an alert at 265. If it breaks out of there, we can really start moving, man. The sky's kind of the limit for this company, in my opinion. They're still a very small company. The market cap's like $800 million. Who knows, man? It could go a lot higher. So I'm going to set two alerts, 265, 250. That is DEFTF. And the last one, guys, but wait a second. Before we get into the last stock, don't forget to join the email list. Listen, guys, every Monday I'm sending you my top 3 stocks for free right to your email. All you guys have to do is put your first name and your email address into the link, which is in the description box, pinned in the comment section as well. And boom, like I said, for free every Monday, I send you my top 3 stocks right to your inbox. So guys, get in there, get on the email list. It's free, guys. That is DEFTF. The last stock is Adobe, ticker symbol ADBE, which, guys, this company is a good company, no doubt, and the stock is reporting, or the company is reporting earnings in about 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks, and guys, the stock has not been doing well, but we are noticing signs of a reversal here. We have an inverse head and shoulders. We're above both moving averages, and guys, we're looking decent. We're looking decent here for a reversal, in my opinion, heading into earnings, maybe even after earnings. Maybe if earnings crush it, the stock could continue to go up after earnings. But look, we have ADBE right now and a clear inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. You guys see it. So if we're able to start pushing 540, which was the high, looks like here from the middle of this month, 3 weeks ago, that could be a move where we make some money from 515 here to 540. Then if we're able to break 540, guys, which again is a resistance from about 2 weeks ago, we could then fill this gap slowly up to 570, 580, 590, which was the high from last time the company reported earnings. We hit 590, it looks like here back in September, and then the stock tanked. So guys, this is interesting. We tanked last time the company reported earnings. Earnings were a bit underwhelming, whatever. But if they're able to redeem themselves now, in my eyes, I think we'll fill the gap. Boom, right back to where we were last earnings report. I think we'll fill that gap fairly quickly if they redeem themselves. If earnings guidance is good this go around, which again, they're reporting earnings on the 10th of December. No, the 11th of December after the bell. So guys, those are 3 stocks I'm watching right now on the verge of breaking out. We have Apple, DEFTF, and ADBE. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and please do your own research. I'm not in any of these stocks right now, but again, I'm eyeing them up very closely heading into this week. So do your own research, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe here on YouTube. And like I said, you have a couple more hours to get this deal from Moomoo. It's expiring here, guys. So use that link down below. Deposit at least $100 into your account. You get 5 free stocks and a $30 cash bonus. And deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer, I'm telling you. So use that link down below or go to StarSurfS.com/Moomoo. You have a couple more hours to do it, so get on it, guys, now. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next video.